Hi guys, and welcome back or welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I install my box braids. So if you're interested, then stay tuned. Last night I separated and twisted up my hair in the sections I'm going to braid it up in to make it easier and quicker today. I got the Silky Touch Jumbo Braid by Kanekalon, and I also got Spectra itchless hair, I guess. I got this hair. They're the same color, but one I got is pre-stretched already and the other one is not. And they're both pretty much the same length, 24 inch. I didn't have to, but I'm gonna mix and I'm gonna use both in each braid. So it's really kind of pointless, but it's okay. So I got 4 bags of each hair, and I went ahead and I opened 1 pack of each. So now I'm just gonna separate it. And they're both in the color 350. I install my braids is I take the hair like this around my finger, and then I just twist my base to get my base as flat as possible. And then I wrap the hair around my hair, secure it at the root, and then I start braiding. And then before I get to where my hair stops, I separate my 2 sections, add it to my hair, and then I continue to braid. And I make sure I keep the end of my hair tucked away.
And then you're just going to continue to braid until you get all the way down to the bottom.
My sister calls me crazy for like braiding all the way down, like to here. She's like, there's nothing left to braid. And I'm like, literally, yes there is. Look at this. Anyway though, so I make sure I braid all the way down so that it doesn't unravel while I have these braids in my hair. You don't have to braid this far down if you want to burn your ends, but I don't like how when you burn it with the light, I don't like the way it ends off. And there you go, there you have it, your first braid. Another way that I know some people do it is that they get their hair separated, their 1 section into 2, and then loop it like this, and then they braid it this way. I'm gonna twist the root, I'm gonna wrap this around the base, and then I think I'm supposed to like drop 1, leave it to add it to that, and then I just start braiding, I think. So that you don't have to separate your hair, it's already in the 3 sections. But I feel like it's not secure at the root enough for my liking. But I think it knotted because I was having a hard time like trying to get it secure at the root. But other than that, I might be doing my hair like this from now on. Cause sometimes when I stop to part the 2 sections into 3 to make that 3rd section, it kind of leaves this, like, I don't know if you can see, like that in the braid, and I didn't get that over here. So you can see how it's kind of like janky, like right here, and then it's just like, so you might be braiding our hair like this from now on. Oh, that's what the point is. I'm gonna finish the back section off camera, and then I'm gonna come back when I come to the top so that I can show you guys a little better up close. So I'm on my last 2, and I'm gonna show you guys a couple more times. So I did the method where you take your hair, break it into 2 parts, and then you interlock it like this. So one more time, I'm gonna take 2 pieces, interlock them like this. These are what I like to call my bad bitch braids. My bad bitch braids. I will say that the ends aren't as thick as, like, I wanted it to remain this size throughout the whole braid, but she thinned out a lot earlier than I wanted her to, but still they're really cute. Like when the ends get really thin like that, they kind of like go every which way, they just hang however they like. So to help with that, you can boil your ends so that they just hang straight down. If that doesn't bother you, you don't have to worry about it. You can boil your hair for that and to seal in the braid, to seal the braid a little better. So these are the finished results. Thank you guys for tuning in, and I will see you guys in my next video.